breaking news coming in at this hour from West Bengal. We're getting information of there being a huge escalation in battleground West Bengal. Remember that West Bengal is a poll-bound state. In the latest that we're tracking at this hour, the West Bengal leader of opposition, Subhendu Adhikari, has alleged attack by TMC workers. Now, Subhendu Adhikari, remember, was sitting on a dharna in the police station. He's gone on to say that he was attacked by TMC goons. This is an important claim coming in from, of course, the Bengal leader of opposition, Subhendu Adhikari, who's gone on to allege that there was attack on his car by TMC workers. He sat on a dharna inside the police station, is what we're being told. This is one scathing attack coming in from the BJP towards the TMC, as, of course, West Bengal braces for assembly elections.
मैं पुरुलिया का पारा में प्रोग्राम किया। यहाँ से पारा का डिस्टेंस कितना है? 165 किलोमीटर। चंद्रकोना रोड से पारा का डिस्टेंस है 165 किलोमीटर। 8:20 इतना सर्दी का मौसम, इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ पुलिस इन्फॉर्म कर दिया। ये लोग ने हाईकोर्ट में एफिडेविट स्वेयर करके बताया एलओपी का सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड करेगा सीआरपीएफ और रूट में जाने का वक्त हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। ये लोग की लीक करके आज केरोसिन का जार, पेट्रोल, आग लगाने के जितना सामान सबको यहाँ लाकर किया, दोनों गाड़ी के ऊपर किया। ये क्या जंगल राज चल रहा है?
Well, on this, my colleague Ritik joining us on the phone line. Ritik, the political temperatures seem to be soaring in West Bengal. Of course, with the IPAC raids, there's already, some sort of political chaos happening in West Bengal. And in the latest, we're also hearing the leader of opposition make such tall claims against the TMC. Walk us through what exactly this controversy is about.
Well, it's what we're learning that last night, the leader of opposition, Subhendu Adhikari's convoy has come under attack allegedly by TMC-led goons. So what we're learning that Adhikari was returning from Purulia last night, and when he was passing through, West Midnapur's Chandrakona Road area, several BJP supporters were waiting for him to, wave him. And at the same point of time, allegedly, as Adhikari raises allegations towards the ruling dispensation, so some men from the TMC party holding placards, they were also, waiting at the same point of time. And once the convoy reaches to that spot, his car was allegedly targeted and attempted to vandalize. And soon after that scuffle, Adhikari headed to the nearest police station, staged dharna for nearly a couple of hours, and that has triggered a massive row. Now, what more we are picking up at this point in time, that the Union Home Ministry has sought a detailed report with regard to this matter. Soon after this incident happened, Adhikari informed with regard to the lack of security with the Union Home Ministry, which is why taking cognizance that now a report has been asked by the Union Home Ministry. That is the latest what we are picking up at this point in time. Remember, in last couple of days, Bengal politics is boiling since the ED raids were conducted at multiple locations, including IPAC chief Pratik Jain's residence and his office. Mamata Banerjee headed to there, and since then the situation is boiling. We can see a lot of politics is happening.
Right.
And yesterday, allegedly, Adhikari's convoy came under attack by TMC, and now that is also seemingly is going to heat the entire political temperature over here. Back to you.
Right, absolutely, Ritik. The political temperatures seem to be soaring in West Bengal ahead of the assembly polls. Thank you so much for joining us and sharing those updates with us.